Lock keys missing. Good, I am happy with this product. The getup is nice. It is value for money. Till date, I have received proper response from the service center. We got for bachelor's room, only for storage beers. It's really nice. For small family, just go for it. Simple and good. We got RS 9450/ with Citibank 10% offer. Compared to Flipkart, it's low only. #fuck off Flipkart #pros. 190 liters with 3 stars under 10k branded. One quality was good and comfortable for beer storages. Inbuilt stay by Zailer cons. We got defects trays under vegetable containers not closed proper. It has gap on it. Then why they given lid? B rating still 2020. Whirlpool customers service need to improve. They don't know English. Product is good, enough capacity and consume less electricity. Must go for it. Purchased it a very good discount. Overall paid 10,500. Nice. Quick chill, a broken piece provided. Customer executive didn't visit for installation, demonstration or presentation. Product is good. The best time. Very nice product. Okay. Just one statement, don't think too much. Just bought this fridge. Truly paisa vasool. I am happy with performance and all. It is the best. Growth for money and easy to install, and better you will buy voltage stabilizer 900/ only, to avoid voltage fluctuations. All of them know very well about refrigerator usage and cleaning work. Delivered on time, compact for 4 to 5 peoples. Good color quality and speed, also no noise. Compare other brands. Really good product. Click link in description for more reviews.